Adding in the belly fat, part 8. Hey there, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager, and we are talking about living life free of emotional eating and loving yourself slim. And in this series, we're talking about the emotional things that are driving us to the fridge that are hiding in the belly area. There are 46 things that I've discovered, and today we're going to talk about one. Thing number 8 is being bound up in present fears and not trusting. Oh my goodness, these are deep themes. If we're honest with ourselves, we're going to be going, ah! But just don't run to the fridge, okay? That's not what we're doing. I don't want to send you to the fridge. What I want you to do is get solutions. So if you're doing this series and you're starting to go, oh my gosh, I can't handle this, just remember that's a belief stuff. Like, you can handle anything. You can handle facing off with your fears. We're taking our conscious self, we're talking to our subconscious self, which I believe is the belief system of the human body. This is just the experience that you've had since you were alive. It's how your brain works. All these things are firing, and you are designed to protect yourself. But remember, even if you go into fight or flight while we're dealing with these beliefs, you have power to go, oh, I see what's going on here, and oh yeah, okay, I can handle this because I'm not going to die. I'm going to live. I'm just going to live. Okay? All right. So if you're in a situation where you are bound up in present fears and not trusting, let's just assess the situation. What you're looking to do is get a belief that makes sense for the situation to bring you peace. You're going to let that come intuitively. If that's something that's a little foreign to you, I'm going to help you with that. You'll get some instructions at the end of this video, so just hang in there. But look for that belief that is peaceful. Do you trust yourself? A lot of people don't. Most of the people that I work with don't know how to do that yet. It can be tricky. It can be sensitive. It can be scary to try to trust yourself. But I encourage you to own that you're allowed. You're allowed to trust yourself. You're allowed to believe that just because a situation happened doesn't mean it wasn't good for you. It doesn't mean you weren't intuitively guided to the situation for your personal growth. I think you were. I mean, think about that. What strength have you gained from past situations that you've learned from? Look at it. Try to learn everything you can. And get peace from that. You were in the right place at the right time for your personal growth. Put that on instead and see if you feel better. Thanks for watching that video. Subscribe, hit the bell. There's more to come. And as promised, I would like to give you a little bit of advice in the area of trusting yourself. And that advice is contained in an automated program that I have that is for just certain people who are really ready. So I encourage you to go to realandslim.com and get my cheat sheet. That's going to be your start. Get an idea of what it is that we're doing here. It's very, very simple. It's very, very effective. And then as you go through that, you're going to be directed to a place where you can get an automated game plan. And I'm walking you step by step through how to figure out how to trust yourself. How to figure out how to find the things that are in your way and how to figure out how to shift it. The whole thing is about shifting. The whole thing is about getting peaceful and taking control of yourself and your responses to this world in a positive way so that you can be happy. realandslim.com, grab the free cheat sheet. It'll take you to the game plan. Go through it and see if something is right for you in there. I will talk to you later.